Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This time, we are going to talk about a problem that has been increasing in the last few years, not only in our country, but also around the world. It is a big problem for all the families and people in general.
As many of you already know, the number of robberies, feminicide, disappearance, and violence in general has been visibly elevated in these recent years. But how much? Well, through of 2020 improved, approximately more than 5,500 people were reported missing, of which 4 million were just under 18 years old.
Not to mention 208 cases of attempted feminicide. Of these, there are still 51 cases of violent deaths of women that remain investigative material. From January of this year to August, more than 60,000 cases of family violence has been registered.
All these numbers were given by a report by the Defensoría del Pueblo of Peru. But let's not leave it just in numbers. There are people who deal with this type of insecurity every day, and their families have been affected by it.
As is the case of Laura Berenice Ramos, a 17-year-old student who disappeared, according to the complaint filed by her mother on September 25, 2001. According to the victim's mother, the authorities informed them that they had to wait 72 hours to consider their daughter as a missing person.
The scarce restoration by the authorities led to the fact that sometime later, on November 6 of the same year, her body had found along with two other bodies of women in a firefight. The next day, another 5 bodies were found in another place in the same territory.
My name is Lucía Sanchez.
And my name is Ariana. We are students of Nuestra Señora de la Reconciliación School.
We are in 7th and 8th grade, respectively, and we want to show you a proposed solution to this problem.
In the situation that we have been present, where an almost immediate response is needed from the authorities to prevent a person from being in serious danger, many times it is difficult for us to contact them, either due to the same situation or to other different programs.
Now we present you emergency alarm.
To build our circuit, we use the Arduino One module. It is connected by 2 different jumpers to the protoboards.
On the protoboard on the left side, you will find the I2C module, the LCD screen, the buzzer, and the DS3 to 3 clock module. The Arduino is connected with the DS3 to 3 clock module. The GND of the Arduino is connected to the protoboard by jumpers. Not to mention the connection of the positive side of a buzzer with the Arduino and the negative side of this connected with the negative line of the protoboard.
In the second protoboard contains the GSM SIM800L module, the push button, and the 3.7-volt polymetric lithium battery. In the second protoboard, we can see that one of the legs of the button is directly connected to the negative side of the breadboard, and in the other, it is connected to the positive side by a resistor, and at the same time with the Arduino One module, which is connected to the battery, and at the same time to the SIM module.
Our idea is that when you press the button in our prototype, an automatic message is sent to the person of trust that you decide, or if you prefer, directly to the central police station. In this message, it's going to be your phone number, and with that, they can know your location, and they can know that you're in danger, or that something serious happened to you. In that way, provide help as soon as possible.
In addition, the button could adhere to other accessories of our daily outfit, such as the back of a watch, on a bracelet, or on a neck ring. In that way, the criminal doesn't know the exact location of our alarm.
This is a part of our final Arduino code. This is a video where you can see our circuit already compiled with our code.
And you can see that when you press the button, a message arrives at the chosen cell phone number. And also you can see the current time and set a new alarm. Let's not let more people keep turning into numbers.
Thank you very much for your attention.
See you until another opportunity.